Gujarat, known by many names and for many unique aspects, is leading the next industrial revolution across the world, despite competing with countries like South Korea, Germany, and many more. Gujarat is well known for its vast seashore, which stretches to approximately 1,600 kilometers. The extensive seashore line helps companies to thrive and extend their operations to every part of the world. With the power of technology in our hands, we have realized the possibilities beyond our wildest dreams. Introducing Vibrant Industrial Park Limited. We are envisioning smarter, more integrated, and more productive industrial complexes that will have all the solutions to common problems in chemical industry, followed by the furniture, ceramic, engineering, pharmaceutical, paper mill, and solar sectors. Vibrant Industrial Park Limited is being founded by Gujarat's leading industrialists to increase the GDP of Gujarat to a $1.5 trillion economy. With 25,000 hectares of land to be converted into plug-and-play industrial parks, we at VIPL are starting with a 200 acres park at Vataman. It will have the most advanced technologies for all the common facilities, with which entrepreneurs will be able to capitalize on global prospects. We are on a mission to propel industrialization forward by harmonizing and balancing the link between human growth and environmental processes. We believe that a chemical plant's integration with its environment is extremely delicate. Without the proper facilities and support systems, a single plant will disturb the delicate balance of an ecosystem, causing widespread damage to fauna and flora. That is why we at VIPL are committed to eliminating any kind of liquid waste from a chemical plant using advanced water treatment and desalination techniques with the aid of zero liquid discharge technology, and create a pollution-free environment by incorporating CO2-free processes. The industrial complex will be surrounded by an efficient reservoir and linked electricity and energy framework with powerful safeguarding systems that will avoid fire-based, geological, waterborne, and other types of hazards common in this industry. VIPL's amenities and services will include a common wide RCC road, central ETP, a common boiler, an auditorium cum skill development center, a clubhouse, a helicopter pad, a firefighting center, zero discharge facilities, a training center, security systems, landscaping, and first aid center. VIPL Smart Industrial Park is imagined as a one-stop solution for companies in the vast chemical industry, meeting all modern demands for large-scale production capability, logistical efficiency, and sustainability. VIPL aspires to create a harmonious group of industrialists and progress enthusiasts who will push the industry forward with innovation, sustainability, and efficiency. VIPL also promotes investment in the chemical sector that forms one of the country's largest groups of industrialists and government personnel in the Western Hemisphere. Our spirit is built on the belief that the closer we are to nature, the more secure and long-term the effects will be. VIPL, an innovation and sustainability-built cooperative cluster that will usher in a new age of smart industrial complexes in Gujarat.